2012 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to change this cabin filter today. It's a pretty simple task. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is open your glove box up. I'm going to take some stuff out of here because we're going to be dropping this glove box down. Clear out your glove box. Yeah, that stuff can stay in there. If it falls out, it falls out. Then over here you got this little guy right here. It's just like a little shock almost. Keeps the glove box from dropping down too fast. Unhook it. Just take your finger and pull it over like I just did. And you're going to press these two tabs. See how they lock in there? Let's do it again. Press in, pull down. Now in here, you're going to press this little tab right here and pull out on the little door. Fish your filter out and note in the position. The airflow arrow shows going up, up. Slide it in. Seat it. Put your little door back on. This little tab right here goes in this little lock right here, if you can see. And push until you hit click. And then push it up on your glove box again. And hook your little guy up right there. Make sure it closes and it's lined up good. Looks good to me. So I'll put all this crap back in after I end this video. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please subscribe, check like. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.